we have for compression, we do that. For example, when you transmit an image at the next second through WhatsApp, you get the image readily being available. Okay, visually you are not able to perceive the loss of information when you receive an image through WhatsApp. Okay, but if you want to actually take a photo print of it, when you want to send an image through WhatsApp, when you send an image through WhatsApp to a photo studio person for it to be printed, they won't appreciate it. Okay, because in WhatsApp they use a lossy compression technique, image compression technique. They usually do with JPEG. We have JPEG compression standards. We have DCT. Image processing is so huge field. We cannot actually touch upon all the various applications. We can just give you a gist of what are the other what are the areas that are so prominent. You could choose an area wherein you are so fascinated upon, and you can play with it. You can learn with it. Okay, MATLAB has got in MathWorks. It has got excellent support system. You could get all your community help in it. Different set of codes are available. You can make extensive use of it. Okay? So let us run with this code. This is for wavelet decomposition. I'm using two-dimensional discrete wavelet transform built-in function available. I'm doing first level decomposition, and I believe the second level decomposition wasn't complete. Okay, so I'll skip this. Let us go with the first level decomposition and make sure you understand what is happening. Okay, so this is about the cameraman, original cameraman.tip image. Okay. This is the low band, this is the low-high band, this is the high-low band, and this is high band. Okay, so you know that how much vital information is contained in the low band. Okay, though you skip representing these information, the other three band of information, and you transmit this alone, we'll be able to really appreciate the quality of the image. Okay, though you can understand that you could see that this this pattern, no, it is completely lost. Okay, but still you can understand that the quality of the image is still better. Okay, I think I have another code with the wavelet. Let's try this once again.